back to my vlog! This episode will be Museum of Bank Indonesia. Me and my sis went there with a guide from JGG or Jakarta Good Guide. Sorry, but we forgot his name. But that day, from 10 to 12, I believe, this kakak explained to us about Museum of Bank Indonesia in full English, because that was the program. First of all, the architecture was very beautiful. That was insane. There are stained glasses, paintings, engraving on the walls, lights with different dim purposes, and etc. We were informed about the history of money in Indonesia, from its use as a medium of barter and in the colonial era to the present day.
So politic ethics in the early 20th century, and then the Japanese came in 1942, and then going to Medan, Bandung, Surabaya, Semarang, you will find. So the mixed blood is in between. Now here comes the 60s. There you go. The government announced the So why do they have this telephone installation over here? It's basically showing during 1990.
So before we were informed about the monetary crisis that occurred in Indonesia in 1998. So there were lots of artifacts from the 1998 riots. Oops. Hey, there's a mirror. Ayo. Kita lapar. Ini.
We're doing
A fresh mind.
chill, calm, because green is the color to calm people. If you see from here, you will find the governors or gubernur from the Akasha Bank. All the
Emas moneter. Wow! I love gold.
do you think? to bring all those little coins. They are made of gold. Ada yang dibuat from silver, and then copper. Copper is probably the lowest one. Copper. You have ngemis disebutnya.
Minta duit, tau kan?
Kenapa minta duit disebutnya ngemis? Because apparently dulu tuh setiap hari Kamis ada orang Belanda yang suka ngasih si duit itu. Makanya orang-orang ngumpul minta duit di setiap hari Kamis. Makanya disebutnya mengemis dari hari Kamis.
Jadi ini ada yang dulu namanya duit. Jadi kita panggil duit bukan karena uang itu duit, tapi emang ada namanya duit.
That's the deal. Coming from other countries, the visitors, and then when they see their money, they see their collection of the old.
When I pulled it, ta-da! There is the money here. We'll pull this one. This is the Chinese. Shoot! Oh! Wow! This is actually heavy. Oh! Hong Kong ada dua. Hong Kong.
Basically, the government wanted to cut the money, and then half of the money you can keep it in the bank as obligation or surat berharga, and then the other half itu the value comes to half of it. For example, this is
ini sama nama yang tadi nak. Nak, sama sama yang tadi nak. Jangan dipegang, nggak boleh. Nakal. Let's go. So after strolling around the KKJGG and the other visitor, we have to separate our ways. So instead of going out because it was raining, we went to the basement and there was a photo booth and it was free. Just put some emails or something or numbers, I forgot. But it was free. Kita sudah dari Museum Bank Indonesia. Sekarang kita mau makan. Ini kesini ke gua dikit napa?
Ih, ribet banget deh.
Hari ini Jakarta is so gloomy. It's raining. Ya gitu deh. Since we were starving, so we went for a dining in. I think it's Kedai Seni Jakarta or something like that. The food was great and the ambience is okay. The price is okay too. It's good. Iya. Mana cara maksudnya? Jadi kita ada di Kedai Seni di Jakarta. Nggak menyeramkan ya? Ini harus ini. Sekarang kita lagi mau makan. Ini makan soto Betawi sama nasi goreng. Tuh. Wanginya sih oke ya. Jadi standy. Ini enak. Nasi gorengnya juga enak. Here's the food to be clear. Bungkus. Berapa tadi? That's all for the vlog today. I hope I could make another video for you guys again and you could see me and would see me again in the futures. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like buttons, of course. I like it. Thank you. Bye.